Ankita Bardwaj. Welcome to the channel Ankita's Divine Tarot. This channel is all about pick a card readings, zodiac sign readings, monthly predictions and some other spiritual stuff. So if you are interested, then please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Today I'm here with a pick a card reading on what is coming after 3 months for you. What is the guidance for you after 3 months? What can you expect after 3 months? Now, as usual, I have 4 piles in front of me. Before you pick your pile, please try to connect to yourself, try to connect to the universe, connect to your intuition, take long deep breaths and then try to pick your pile and then try to pick your crystal. I have 4 crystals in front of me. First one here is Tiger's Eye for protection and motivation. Second one I have for clarity, which is clear quartz. Third I have green fluorite, which is for healing. And the last one, fourth, is rose quartz, which is for attraction and love. So I'll be giving the timestamps below in the description box, and I'm moving forward with my first pile, which is Tiger's Eye. You can forward it towards your reading. Hello, if you have picked the first pile, which is Tiger's Eye, then let's see what is the guidance for you and what can you expect after 3 months. What's in the store after 3 months for you? Okay, first of all, I have Queen of Cups, 10 of Cups and 4 of Wands and the Sun. Okay, the first thing that I can see in your cards is that after 3 months, right now maybe you have been expecting something, maybe some completion, maybe some things were left incomplete in your past, or maybe they are incomplete and you're wanting to complete something, whether it's your studies, whether it's a project, whether it's maybe you have started something new in your business, in your job, maybe you have started a new job. So I do see that if you have not started yet, then maybe in the very near future you're going to start something new, whether it can be learning, it can be even starting your own business or getting a new job, any new project you work on. It could be anything. You will be starting it, and after 3 months I see completion coming for you. This is a major arcana card, the Sun, which says completion is coming for you. Success in a project is coming for you. If you have just started your own business, then there is going to be a huge big success in your business. There's going to be profit in this business. If you are thinking of starting, then you will start, and for sure you're going to have some profit in this business. And if you have started something learning, then obviously this, whatever you are doing, whether it's learning, whether it's a new project, it is going to be a success. After 3 months you're going to feel it, that this is a success for you, this is turning out for the best for you. For some people, I also see, if this might resonate with some, that if you have been planning to get married, if you have been wanting to commit to someone, then maybe after 3 months is the time when you can commit to them, when you can get engaged, or when you can actually get married, because the Sun also says marriage. And I also have 10 of Cups. So some of you all who are already married, after 3 months there might be some good news, some completion or some success coming your way, which can be beneficial not only for you but for your family also, for your husband, wife also, for your partner also. It's going to be a good thing. Happy, you are going to have the satisfaction, the pleasure, the wish fulfillment that you have been wanting since long maybe, or if you have been waiting for something to happen, that can happen after 3 months. I do see that if you're not married, if you're not thinking to get married, then I do see that maybe right now with your family things are not very great, or even if they're great, after 3 months they're going to get better, they're going to get even good. There's going to be financial security, there's going to be mental security, mental stability. So I don't think so, if you are worrying about it right now, about your family, about your relations with the family, or the connection with the family, it is going to get better in the future after 3 months if you have been worrying about it. And I also have Queen of Cups. That means you will have the emotional fulfillment. So not only success in your business, job, project or studies, but you're going to have emotional fulfillment even in your personal life, even with yourself. Maybe right now the situation when you're not completely satisfied with yourself, maybe you're having self doubts or something like that. If something has been going on like that, then after 3 months you are going to have the emotional fulfillment that you have been wanting since long. You're going to have the satisfaction, and if you're thinking to get married, there's a big chance that you're going to get married, and you're going to get married to someone you have been wanting to, because this is a satisfaction card. So you're going to be satisfied with your partner, with this connection, with whatever you choose to move forwards with. Okay, I also have Seven of Wands here, which says that you will be reaching at a point after 3 months. You will be reaching at a point where there will be success, where there will be, whatever it is, whether it's a business, whether it's a project, whether it's learning, there will be success, there will be completion in this new beginning. But I also see that some people might try to create problems for you, create conflicts for you. Some people might try to make things negative for you. The intentions of some people around you might not be that good, so you have to pay attention to that, because you will have to defend yourself. You will have to protect yourself from those people. You will have to protect yourself from those negative people around you and from that negativity. So keep that in mind. Other than that, I see that you will be reaching at a point where all of these people will be really below you and you will be up, but that does not mean that you shouldn't be grateful. Please be grateful and just protect yourself. I'm not saying that if you find out about anybody that they're trying to create problems for you, to take action or to do something against them. I'm just saying that ignore them. Ignoring is best, and just defend yourself. Defend in a way that try to protect yourself and try to just ignore them, and try to protect your aura from them. That's what I'm trying to say. And just don't even try to argue, don't even try to fight with them. Just let it go, and all you have to do is just keep your focus on your life, on your personal life, and on your professional life. Okay, so other messages I have for you is new psychic and spiritual experiences are changing the way you view the world and yourself. Allow your spiritual gifts to open through study, prayer and meditation. So for some people this can resonate, that maybe you have started some new areas of study. Maybe you have started a course, some new course. Then whatever you have started, it is going to give you the satisfaction, the pleasure. It is going to be a wish fulfillment for you, and whatever you expect from this project, no matter what it is, there's going to be a success in that. I also see that some of you all, this might resonate with some, that you will be experiencing some new spiritual experiences. Maybe you will try to meditate, maybe you will be more more into spiritual practices, trying out manifestation, trying out candle rituals or anything spiritually. I feel that after 3 months you're going to feel very much connected. There are going to be some experiences where you're going to feel very much connected to the universe and to yourself. Other message I have for you all is keep charging ahead and don't take no for an answer. Expect miraculous solutions to appear. So if you have been worrying about something in your life right now, if you are worried about this new thing that you have started, or if you have not started anything new, if you are worried about your current situation, then things are going to get better. Just don't give up right now. Keep charging ahead, and no matter what people try to do, no matter what guidance, what negative guidance people try to give you, do not listen to them and don't take no for an answer. That is a big message I'm getting here. And expect miraculous situations to appear. So this is also a possibility that out of the blue your business turns out to be a big profit. Out of the blue you get a new job that you have been wanting. Out of the blue, whatever you're studying, you get a success in it. Okay, so please don't give up, keep charging. Other message I have for this pile is you have an important life purpose involving communication and arts. Please don't allow insecurities to hold you back. I will help you. This is the card of Archangel Gabriel. So if you don't know about Archangel Gabriel, please try to search about her. She is the angel of communication, new beginnings. She's the angel of creativity. So maybe you are a creative person. Maybe whatever you do or what you choose to do right now is something related to arts, creativity, or even communication. If this resonates, then take it. So whatever it is, don't allow insecurities to hold you back. Don't give up and expect things to get better in the future. No matter what the negative people try to do, negative people try to say, you are going to have the wish fulfillment you have been desiring. Okay, then I also have Archangel Uriel. Your emotions are healing, which enables you to open to greater love. I will help you release anger and unforgiveness from your heart and mind. So for some people this might resonate that maybe you have been with your partner, you have been in a rough patch, you have been fighting, you have been arguing with them, or some fights are there, or you are not in a communication, maybe communication is not there right now, there's a communication gap with you and your partner. With some this might resonate. So Archangel Gabriel says that communication is going to be there after 3 months. If your communication is going to get better after 3 months, it's going to be great, and your emotions are going to heal. Your partners and your emotions are going to heal. You are going to release the anger, or your partner is going to release the anger. There's going to be unforgiveness, and you are going to be open to greater love. You're going to have a different perspective for your partner, and your partner is going to have a bigger and a better perspective towards you. I see that if you have been in such kind of situation, then please expect things to get better in the future. Then let's see what do we have from the Archangel Michael deck. Okay, new beginnings and a fresh start. So for sure you have started something new, or within these 3 months you are going to start something new, and that is going to be a huge success for you. So whatever opportunity comes your way, whatever offers you get within these 3 months, please go ahead with them. I'm not saying that don't gain knowledge about it. Please have proper information before you proceed further with anything in your life. But if you feel, if your intuition, if your gut, your feelings, everything is calling for you to take the step towards this offer, towards this opportunity, then please don't hold back because of the insecurities. Don't let it go and take action. Keep charging and don't give up. I also have asked Archangel Michael to help you with this situation. So a big message or a big guidance for this pile is that Archangel Gabriel and Archangel Michael are here to help you out. So try to call upon Archangel Gabriel and Archangel Michael. If you do not have a lot of idea about these angels, then please go ahead and search them on net. On YouTube you can also search how to invoke these angels. They will help you in this new beginning, whether it's communication, whether it's creativity, whether it's whatever new beginning in your life. Archangel Gabriel is going to help you. Archangel Michael is going to protect you from negative people, from negative auras around you, from all those negativity. He's going to protect you. So please try to search, because I do have these angels that says that they are around you and they are trying to help you, wanting to help you. So maybe accept that help from them. Then prayer will help this situation. See, again, these both the cards says that some spiritual experience is going to be there for you. This could also mean that you invoking Archangel Gabriel and Archangel Michael, and trust me, they are going to help you with your new life, with your new project, with your new business, with your new job, marriage, personal life, whatever it is. If you have been dealing with a problem with your partner, they are going to help you. Maybe this is their way of calling you towards them. So try to please invoke them, have this spiritual awakening or spiritual experience in your life, and greater things and bigger things are coming for you in the future. After 3 months, I do not think you should be worrying about anything. You just have to protect yourself from the negative people. And again I'm saying this because we don't know what these people can do if they're jealous of you or if they don't want you to reach at a point where you're about to reach. So I think that's all I have for the pile Tiger's Eye. I hope it resonated. If it resonated, then please don't forget to like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in my next video. Hello to the people who have picked the second pile, which is the clear quartz. Let's see what you can expect after 3 months. What's coming for you? What's the guidance for you? What you need to focus on after 3 months? Okay. So I have 5 of Wands, 8 of Cups, 3 of Cups, the Star. Okay, for this pile what I see is that after 3 months there might come a time or a phase where you get involved in a conversation which is not very healthy for you, and you get into a fight with someone, with your friend, with your partner, with, it can be actually anybody. So please be aware of that some major fight might be coming your way, or this could be you. If not fight, this could resonate with someone, that if not fight, then you might have some inner conflicts, like in reality things are not that bad, but because of your overthinking, over analyzing, there might be some inner conflicts, confusion or frustration in your mind, which can be very unhealthy for you, which can make you a little negative, which can push you towards a negative state, which can push you towards laziness and towards not feeling good from inside. But I also see that you have 3 of Cups, that says that people are going to be there around you for you at this time. People are going to support you at this time. People, your friends or your family, they're going to be there. And I also see that some good thing is also going to happen, which you might feel like celebrating. So yes, you will be feeling negative, and you will be feeling you might have some conflict, some inner conflicts, or you might get into a fight with somebody. Take whatever resonates. But I also see that something good will also happen that will make you want to celebrate, or maybe this is just your friends, your family trying to cheer you up, that everything is okay and everything is good. Maybe you start something new after 3 months. That is also a big message I'm getting here, that you might start something new, but before starting that something new, you might not have the confidence you need. You might feel a little insecure, a little negative, that I don't think so this is going to work out, whatever I'm starting. Or maybe while starting that new thing, you might face problems, and because of those problems you might have inner conflicts and inner insecurities, self-doubts. But I want you to know that this thing is going to work out for you. You are going to start something new, and it is going to blossom for you. It is going to be really good for you. The star speaks that having hope, not giving up, because in the future, if not right now, but in the future, this thing is going to blossom for you. Okay, I also have caution is warranted. Look deeper into the situation before proceeding further. So whatever you choose to do, whatever it is, in starting you might face some problem, you might have some arguments or inner conflicts regarding this. So before getting into a conversation with someone, or before starting this, try to have the perfect knowledge. Try to have every information about it when you are proceeding further. Maybe you get an offer and you proceed further, but you have half knowledge about it, and that might give you conflicts, or that might end up in some heated conversation with somebody. Okay, this could be a possibility. Take whatever resonates. Then I also have, I'm the angel of families. A happy change or addition is coming to your family. So I do see that for you, some if not happy addition, some new happy change is coming your way. Whatever offer comes your way in the start, it might feel that it's not perfect for you and it's not good for you, but trust me, it's a happy change for you. It's going to bring a good change to you and your family. It's not just good for you but the people around you also. It's a good time to give birth to new ideas and situations in your life. I am watching over you, guiding you and protecting you during these changes. So your Lord you worship, your angels, your spirit guides, they are guiding you to take a step in your life, to take the risk. If you're too negative about it, if you're too insecure about it, people are there to support you. Your spirit guides are there to support you. Your Lord is there to support you. That it's a good time to give birth to new ideas, and it's a good time to start something new in your life. It's a good time to finally make things happen for yourself. For some, this might resonate that you might also, if you are wanting to conceive, then after 3 months I see that you will be conceiving and your wish is going to come true. This could also mean that some addition is going to come to your life, and that good news you might get after 3 months, and you might feel like celebrating it. And before that you might be feeling negative, you might be feeling like having inner conflicts and inner insecurities, but just when you hear this news, obviously you're going to celebrate. For some, this might resonate. I also have a happy move to a new home or place of employment is in the works. This movement will usher in positive new energy. So for sure somebody is getting a new job here, new project here, new business, something new is happening. And it is going to be good for you. There's going to be a movement in your energy. Actually there's going to be a drastic movement in your energy. If you have been feeling this inner conflicts or stressed out, if you have been feeling very insecure, or in the future within these 3 months if you feel insecure, I don't think so you have to worry, because your energy is going to shift and suddenly something is going to happen for you which you might feel like celebrating. There's going to be a happy change and a happy move, whether it could be a new home, new job, it could be that you conceiving. Take whatever resonates. If you have been trying to conceive, maybe you do. Okay, I have you created the situation and you have the power to change it. So for sure these are just the inner conflicts, and you have created them on your own, and you have the power to change them. You have the power to change your energy, and within these 3 months I do see that you will be changing yourself. There's going to be a drastic change in your energy, in your aura and in yourself. You're going to feel more confident. You're going to feel much better after these 3 months. You're going to get very better. I have be gentle with yourself. So I think right now the guidance is to just be gentle with yourself. Don't force yourself. Don't take this burden on yourself. No need to restrict yourself. No need to try to control things around you. Let it go. Let it happen. Because whatever you have been wanting is going to happen if you let it happen. If you let the change come, only then it will come to you. You need to just open the doors. The change is ready to come. You just need to open the doors, and you need to release this toxic energy that you have right now, or maybe which you will have within these 3 months. Okay, I also have it's time to leave this unhealthy situation. So I think this card also says that it's time to release the toxic energy, and this card also says that you are going to release that toxic energy. It's going to take time. As for some time you are going to feel this energy which will make you feel very stressed, which will make you feel like I don't want to do anything, I don't want to get out of bed. But things are going to get better. Hold on to this thought. If you feel anxious, if you feel stressed out, hold on to this thought that things are going to get better, and you need to protect yourself from this negativity. You need to release this negativity. Maybe meditate more, calm yourself down more, and whatever you proceed further with, first have the perfect information, 100% information about it, and then move further with it. But I also see that whatever you move forwards with, it is going to blossom for you in the future, if not now. So I do have amazing cards for you. I don't think so you have to worry about anything. It's just the inner conflicts that are going to cause some problems for you for some time, but it is going to get better after 3 months for sure. And if this is resonating that you are going through that period right now, you're going through a rough patch right now, then for sure after 3 months things are going to get much better. You're going to start something new connection, new life, new job, new business. You're going to have a happy movement in your energy, and change is coming your way. Things are going to blossom for you, whether it's a new relationship, whether it's a new work, whether it's a new home, or you having a baby. Things are going to blossom for you in the future after 3 months. I don't think so you have to worry about anything. If it resonated, then please let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment and share, and I'll see you in my next video. Hello to the people who have picked this third pile, which is green fluorite. Let's see what is coming for you after 3 months, what you can expect, what is the guidance. Okay, I have 2 of Pentacles, 3 of Wands, Page of Cups and Knight of Swords. Okay, so after 3 months, what's coming for you is, first of all, I see that something is going to rush towards you. Some offer from someone, or it's a job opportunity, or it's an apology, or something related to that, but somebody is going to rush in and it's going to be hasty. Yes, it is going to be hasty for you. It is please try not to make any hasty decisions, because things might if it's a person who's trying to convey something to you, they might come in a very hasty manner and things might happen in a very fast manner. So try not to take any try to calm down, try to calm yourself down and the other person also down, and then try to communicate to the person, because I do see somebody is going to rush in towards you with their feelings, with their if they have been angry, if they want to express something, whatever it is, someone is going to rush in towards you with a message, and they are going to express, majorly I see somebody is going to express their feelings to you after 3 months. And somehow I also see that maybe you have been waiting for this offer, or maybe you have been waiting for this communication with somebody, and finally after 3 months it is going to arrive. But if you have not been waiting for any communication or anyone, then still I feel that something is going to come towards you, someone is going to come towards you and make an offer and express their feelings. It's just their way is going to be hasty, their way is going to be very fast, but at that moment the guidance is to just calm yourself down and the other person down and then communicate to them. It's nothing bad, it's just them wanting to communicate badly to you. Okay, I also see that you are going to have choices after 3 months, whether it could be job, whether it could be your personal life, it can be anything, whether it's starting something new, it can be anything actually. You're going to have choices and you will be juggling that what to choose and what not to choose. So again with this also I say, try not to make a hasty decision, try to just calm yourself down, take a step back and try to think what you want, what you desire, and then move forward with the right choice. For sure you're going to have some choices after 3 months. If you have been wanting to start something new, if you have been waiting for an offer, there are going to be choices, and please think it all through when you make this choice. Okay, then I have to make the decision. Ask yourself which way brings me closer to my divine purpose and which way takes me away from me. This message also tells me that not only divine purpose, this message says that when you make this decision, you have to ask yourself that what is bringing me close to myself and what is taking me away from myself. This is a very major guidance I am getting for you here, that try to think and try to make a decision on what you desire, on what you want, and what way or what path brings you closer to yourself. Don't forget to be yourself. It's important to be yourself, and if some path is changing you and making you change yourself, then that is not the path for you. That is the guidance here. So if some juggling situation arrives, if you feel confused, then this is the guidance, that whatever makes you feel like this is what I want to do and this is what makes me feel like I'm connected to myself, go ahead with that. Okay, then I have to help heal the situation, see the other person's point of view with compassion. Okay, this message tells me that whoever, with some it might resonate, that whoever is wanting to make an offer, whoever comes your way after 3 months, please try to listen to them in a very calming and a soothing manner. Try to understand their perspective, try to make them understand what your point of view is, but before that try to listen to them, try to understand their point of view, and be patient with it. Whatever they have to say, whatever they want to say, be patient with it and have a bigger and a better perspective towards whatever they express to you. Now I also have yoga and exercise is essential to your well-being, peace of mind and spiritual growth right now. So maybe after 3 months you might face some health issues, some mental, there might be some issues or some situations in your life after 3 months that might make you feel like you're juggling, that might confuse you, and at that point I think yoga, exercise, meditation, all this will be a necessary thing for you, so which will be good for your mind, for your health and even for your spiritual growth. So just at that moment when you feel like juggling, at that moment when you feel like a lot is happening at once, maybe you just need to step back. You need to just focus on yourself, on your health, on your mental peace and on your spiritual growth. Okay, I also see that in the future, with some this might resonate, that many things are going to come your way, and you are going to feel like a lot of things are happening suddenly and I can't handle all of it, and you might feel frustrated with that a little bit. And so at that moment try to just relax, try to just take a step back and focus on yourself. See, I do see that you have been waiting for many things, like whether it's a job, whether it's your personal life. It is something that you have been waiting for, but when those things arrive, you might feel like this is a lot right now for me. How do I cope up with it? How do I cope up with it also and not forget myself also? And how do I not let all of this affect my health? So I think that situation can arrive for you at that moment. Please try to exercise, try to meditate and try to calm yourself down. I also have faith and hope, because there is something positive and new on the horizon that you can't see yet. So whenever you feel this way that too many things are happening at one point, I cannot handle this is a lot for my health, for my mental peace, for this is just a lot for me right now and I'm just juggling right now, I don't know how to maintain a balance. At that moment you have to understand this, that right now things might seem like everything is hasty, everything is getting a lot for you, but this is good for your future, and in the horizon you have something very very positive that you are not able to see yet. Okay, so don't give up. All you have to do is just understand the situation, understand the person, understand your own situation, take a step back, release all the negativity and just be yourself for some time, and then make a decision in your life and then move forwards or continue with whatever you are doing. Okay, then from Archangel Michael deck, I have honor and trust your feelings. So after 3 months, it will be very important for you to make a decision. Obviously, I can see that. So at that moment, honor and trust your feelings, what you want. Try to know what your intuitions are telling you. Try to know what your guts are telling you, which offer to choose, or what the person is trying to say. If somebody expresses, try to understand what the other person is trying to say. Or maybe this could be for somebody, this could be that honor your feelings and honor and trust the other person's feelings also. Then I have explore your options. So I think at that moment when you're going to feel that a lot is happening right now, exploring would be good with yourself. Try to do what you love the most, try to divert yourself from all of that, try to maybe focus on your hobbies and do whatever you love at that moment. Try to just be with yourself, be with whatever you love, be with whoever you love in your life. That is exploring your options for that moment. Try to divert yourself. And I also have, this is your life purpose. So whatever you feel like after 3 months, whatever you feel like is a lot for you, that is actually your life purpose. You're just not able to see it in a calm mind. You just need a calm perspective, you just need a you just need a patient perspective to handle things, to balance things. But I don't think so you have to worry. The person that makes an offer towards you, maybe romantically, mostly I see romantically somebody's going to make an offer, so they are going to be the one. Maybe it could be a possibility. This message says that they can be for you, with you forever, or they can be the one for you. Or if you are juggling in your job situation, or if you're juggling between job and personal life, not able to give your time to both at once, then the just guidance is that this job is your life purpose, this person is your life purpose. It's just right now things are complicated, but that doesn't mean you have to give up. All you have to do is take a step back, calm yourself down, release all the negativity, and just be with yourself. Love what you do, honor your feelings and honor the other person's feelings also. I think that is all I have for the green pile here, green fluorite. I hope it resonated. If it didn't, it's okay, let it go. Don't forget to like, comment and share if it resonated. I'll see you in my next video. Hello to the people who have picked the fourth pile, which is the rose quartz. Let's see what is the guidance for you, what you can expect after 3 months. Okay, I have King of Cups, Wheel of Fortune, King of Swords and Six of Swords. Okay, I have really good cards for this pile, to be honest. First thing that I see for this pile, that after 3 months you are going to travel. There's going to be some traveling for you after 3 months. You're going to move from one place to some other place. Or this could also mean for some that you might shift your energy, whatever you have been feeling, stressed out and demotivated, or you have insecurities, whatever you're feeling, you might shift your energy from one place to another. Your energy is going to shift. There's going to be a movement in your energy. You're going to feel much better after 3 months. I have Wheel of Fortune for you. So traveling is a thing for you, and also luck is going to be by your side. So you might get a very good opportunity out of the sudden after 3 months, and maybe for that you're traveling, or maybe because of that your energy has shifted. So in the future after 3 months, I do see out of the blue suddenly some good news, some good opportunity is coming your way, which is going to be very good for you and your financial life. Okay, for your professional life this is going to be very good. For your personal life also, I see this is going to be very good. After 3 months there's going to be a shift from one energy to another. You're going to ascend, you're going to take another step, whether it's a professional life or personal life. I have King of Cups and King of Swords also here. So I do see you might get some authority after 3 months, or you might feel like you might feel you have clarity now in life. Maybe right now you're struggling with clarity, you do not have clarity, but that energy movement that is going to happen for you, for this pile I see that the energy movement is also going to be there, and some traveling is going to be there for you, and this traveling is going to make you feel happy. Actually, you're going to feel very motivated, and some good thing is coming your way. and this is going to give you clarity in your life. Finally you will be able to make a decision in your life. Finally you will feel happy to make a decision in your life. King of Cups says that emotionally, maybe right now you feel drained, maybe right now you feel like you do not have the exact satisfaction you need, but after 3 months I see whatever is going to happen with you, whatever major is coming your way, that is going to make you feel emotionally satisfied. You're going to have the emotional fulfillment you have been wanting since a long time now. That is something I see for this pile. I have first of all, you are flying high right now, which may threaten others, but don't descend, because others will soon become inspired by your example. So this card says that after 3 months, obviously you are ascending. You are taking a level up in your life. You are achieving these good opportunities professionally, personally. Things are going to get better. There's going to be a movement in your energy. So I do see that maybe some people get jealous with that. Maybe some people try to push you down, try to try to cause problems for you, try to pressurize you, if that makes sense. Then just don't listen to them, and don't let their negative thinking, their negative comments, or whatever they say, whatever they do, don't let them ruin it for you. Just ignore them and go ahead with whatever you want to. If you feel like this opportunity is for you, if you feel like this is what I want, if you feel like finally things are getting better, if you feel like you have the clarity now, you can make this decision. If you have the confidence, because I do see you will have the confidence and clarity to make the decision, then make it. Don't listen to anybody negative at that moment. I also have Archangel Michael's card, which says, I am with you, giving you the courage to make your life changes that will help you work on your divine life purpose. So Archangel Michael's card have arrived. So maybe some of you all know who Archangel Michael is, and their guidance is right with you. They are right with you. If you do not know Archangel Michael, it's okay. You can search about them on net, and you can maybe invoke Archangel Michael, because he is wanting to guide you in your life. And for some this might also resonate, that maybe you are somebody who worships Mahadev or Lord Shiva a lot. So this could be a guidance from him that things are going to change for you. He is giving you the courage, or after 3 months he is going to be giving you the courage and the clarity to move forward with this, whatever good opportunity out of the blue comes your way. Astara card also says that you deserve the best, reach for the stars with your dreams and desires, don't compromise. This card again says that because of other people, because of the negative guidance or negative thinking, please don't compromise on what you want. If you want it, if you feel like now I want to go after it, then go after it, because you deserve it. You have been served this opportunity by the universe because you deserve it, and don't compromise it because of the negative people or the people who are jealous from you. Okay, I also have the card Victory. Your desire is coming to fruition. Keep up the good work. So right now, if you're dealing with conflicts, dealing with stress, dealing like you're stagnant, dealing with like you do not have the proper clarity, keep up the good work, keep up the efforts, do not give up. Things are going to get better. You are going to have the victory. You are going to have what you desire. It is going to take time. 3 months is a long time, but don't give up and just let it go for now. Maybe this is the time when you need to focus on yourself, on your spiritual growth, on your life. Maybe this is the time when you need to realize that I need to release a lot of stuff, and I need to get better with my energies. I need to work on my energies. I need to work on my aura maybe, and I need to make myself better, because this is a very general thing. I feel that if some opportunity makes you feel happy, then that's not right. If something has to happen in your life to make you feel happy, then that is also not right. I'm not saying that when the opportunity comes, don't feel happy about it. Obviously, celebrate about it, but don't depend on that. Try to have that happiness right now with yourself when you do not even have that opportunity, when you do not have that thing in your life. Just try to be happy with the moment, with whatever you have. That is called as true happiness. This is going to be a momentary happiness. Whatever opportunity you're going to get, this is going to be momentary. This is going to be temporary happiness. After some time, this is going to fade. I'm not saying it can fade suddenly or it's not good. It is good. It is something you deserve, but don't depend on that if the opportunity comes, only then I will be happy. Try to work on yourself right now. Try to work on your energies right now. And why can't I be happy right now? Why do I need something good in my life to be happy? Why can't I be happy with myself? Am I not good enough? That is what message I'm trying to convey here. Other than that, I have really good messages for you, really good pile. This is a very good pile if you're picked. After 3 months, things are going to get better. Have confidence card says that you are going to have the confidence in the future. And after 3 months, you are going to want to take a step in your life and you are going to take it. Innocence also says that you are somebody who's very emotional, who's very sensitive, who's very innocent, who's very loyal and honest. And maybe because of that, you might not be able to see the jealous people around you, but that does not mean that you can listen to these people and you can let these people manipulate you. Okay, don't let these people manipulate you. At that moment, at least don't be innocent. At that moment, try to use your brain and try to just do whatever you want. Don't let anybody manipulate you. That's all I'm trying to say, because I do see some people who are jealous of you might try to give you the wrong guidance or might try to ruin it for you somehow. I also have this situation is already resolved, which says that if you are worrying about something a lot, then the guidance is that this situation is already resolved. If you worship Mahadev, and if you know Archangel Michael, if you worship Archangel Michael, they are right next to you. They are standing right next to you. Their energies are with you. They are solving this problem for you. It is resolved. It's just right now maybe they are teaching you that you need to do something more for yourself. You need to work on yourself. You need to give yourself time. You need to have this spiritual and a meaningful growth in your life, which would not be depending on any situation. It will be your inner happiness. You will be making yourself happiness. So even if this opportunity arrives or not, still you will feel satisfied in the moment. Still you will feel happy and not stressed and not demotivated in your life. Okay, that is all I have for the pile rose quartz. I hope it resonated. If it resonated, then please don't forget to like, comment and share. And if it didn't resonate, then it's okay, let it go. There might be other messages that come from me to you. I'll see you in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe.